So I picked up a YZ80H engine today for a 1981. It's got 4V1 starting, so it's definitely YZ80 1981. So it hasn't been used for about 10 years. The guy was going to put it in a go-kart. Comes with the muffler and the exhaust. The exhaust has got the side protector guard, which isn't too bad condition, which a lot of them don't have. A bit of rust around the bottom, which will come out with a good clean and another paint. So I've got the original carby, which seems to all work. That slide goes up and down. I'll still need a clean out though before I go down the path of starting it. The compression seems alright. Got a bit of pop on it. See what it looks like inside. Let's turn the light on. Still got some oil in it. See if the clutch works. And that moves. Lift it down the hole. Look at it stuck. So you can see the clutch plates down the filler hole. So if you open up the clutch, you can just put the screwdriver down between each plate and move them up along the slide, and then maybe turn it around a bit and do it again. So now I can see the clutch plates moving in and out, so that's good. So it's in neutral. First works. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Feels pretty snappy. The main shaft feels tight. Neutral. First and neutral. Plug back on. Now it's a bit dirty, as you can tell. So a bit of a close up. So at least the side covers and the chain guard's not cracked. Bit of corrosion, must have been sitting in, had a bit of water on it. The rubber boot's got a few cracks on it. Clutch seems to work, so it's got the coils but no CDI or the pickup. And they seem to be getting oil everywhere. I wonder where that's coming from. Oh dear. Probably would be better if I left that on. So yeah, that's the YZ80H motor. I really only got it because the exhaust is in pretty good condition compared to some that I've seen. And the muffler's not too bad either, that'll clean up alright. So yeah, keep watching for some updates and I'll try and get it started on the next video. Thanks for watching.